I got the Monopoly World Edition because it was on offer. I got it for 12 quid. So I thought, yeah, that's alright. Says, travel the game board to own the top spots. Fill your passport to win. Cool. There's your passports. Wicked. Discover the top destinations as voted by you. Race around the world with fast-paced, jet-set gameplay. Wicked.
Right.
We're playing Monopoly here in Now Edition. I've got no stamps.
260.
And Mike's just gonna get another one. But I won the first game, this is the second. It's quite good, it's nice and quick, it's not a long-winded game. Mikey filled his passport up, so we won that game. How many properties did I get to win? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and two first class stamps.
Yeah.
And I had one column filled up.
Aye.
I had loads of money though, but I still didn't win. I didn't travel enough with my passport. The boys are shattered after their walk, aren't you? Especially Cody, because we were out for an hour. And Jake, you went for a little run up the park, didn't you? Did you enjoy it, Jake? Was it nice? Must have some more Skylanders stuff when I went out today. Focus. Thank you. Boom, boom. And I got the dogs some new toys. But I think they're too tired to play with them. Cody, which one do you like? Hey. Which one do you like, Cody Bear? Do you like the sheep or the elephant? Go to get your toys. Get your new toys. Yeah, what's your favourite? Do you like the sheep? Good boy. You like them kind, don't you, Cody? You're not interested in playing with your toy. Jake wants to go sleep instead. Which means Cody's going to wait till he's asleep. And he's going to sneak up and ever so gently take that green toy. Aren't you? At the minute he's enjoying playing with his toys. Aren't you?